Hello, fellow viewers and programmers. I welcome you to another clip which is on Newton-Raphson's method, how to write a simple MATLAB script for Newton-Raphson's method. So let's get started. First of all, we have a function and its derivative. That's this the function and its derivative to be. That's the one on line 4. And then we say, okay, under Newton-Raphson's method, we need an initial guess, which we set our initial guess to be A. So first of all go ahead and then look at how to use the for loop to do that job. So then we say, okay, for our I to 1 is to, let's say, we set it to be 10. And then we said our A should be equal to A we pick the functional value of A, f of A divided by d of A, and then we just have to end it. So let's try it and see if it's actually working. So we run it. Okay, it's asking for the initial guess, which we supply to be less 1.5. Okay, it gave us the root that we are expecting, so we're supposed to suppress this one. So from there, although this one looks simple and it happens to give us the root that we are looking for, but we also have a problem when the division sign is, d of A is equal to 0. So we want to put a condition to prevent the program from giving us an error. So then we just look at, we set a condition that if d of A equal to 0, then what we are saying is just display and tell the user that, okay, division by number 0. And then we just break it. Okay. As when this condition is false, then we are saying now come here and then do these things. We have just have to end it. Once we have an else statement, sorry, we need an if. All right. So let's run it and see what is actually giving, if we are right. Okay, then it happens to give us the roots that we are looking for. That's very nice. Then from there we also want to try the while loop and see how that one also works as well. So we first of all have to set the tolerance. Let's say we set our tolerance to be 0.001 and then setting epsilon to be equal to 1 e to the power 10, some huge number. And then we come here and say, okay, whilst our tolerance is less than the absolute of the epsilon, then do the whole of these things. We don't need this one again. Okay, so we then go ahead and then put a certain conditions over there such that we say, okay, we have our epsilon, which is E, to be equal to R minus what, A. We set our R to be equal to A, to be equal to our R. Yeah. So okay, so since we have our R here, we need to change this one to R. So I think that's okay. So we want to let's run it. Let's run it and see the outputs that it will be giving us. So we run it again, and then we sublime. Okay, it means we are on track. We happen to get the same solution. There's a simple script using a while loop and a for loop to solve a problem under Newton-Raphson's method. In the next video, we'll be looking at, is it always that we need to supply the root? We need to supply the first derivative of the function f. We'll be looking at another methods of which we don't need to compute these things ourselves, but we'll allow MATLAB to do that one for us. So simple, so easy. So let's keep tuned. So if this video happens to be of help to you, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your comment down below. Thank you.